I really like my writing today. It's very pretty. You know, it's very pretty to be pretty in today's time when there are not enough female peacocks and too many male peacocks. What I'm talking about, guys, is a very hyper-competitive market where you have too many buyers and not enough sellers. So what do you do in today's market to set yourself apart? And what do you do to get your offer accepted? So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 3 very simple tips to spread your wings and look like a pretty peacock. Number 1, branded agent. I know you all have heard me say qualified agent a gazillion times, but today I'm bringing you a new term, branded agent. What does that mean? A branded agent is someone who's really worked hard on his craft, his content, worked hard at building relationships and connections in the local community that you're trying to buy a house in. So when that agent takes your offer and puts it on the table and gives it to the listing agent, that listing agent is going to take your offer very seriously because that agent is known in that local community. Number 2, work with a fast lender, guys. We're in 2019. There's no reason why a lender should be taking 35 to 35 plus days to close your loan. It's a misconception for a lot of us that we always want to work with the big brand name lenders. Well, what happens with the big brand name lenders is there's a lot of chains of command, bureaucracy, and less autonomy. So just to get an answer to a simple question, it could take anywhere from 3 to 5 days. That's ridiculous. Guys, we are living in this Insta world, okay? Where the listing agent wants to close fast and wants to get paid fast. So if your offer says 15 days you can close it in compared to other offers on the table that say 30 days, guess what's gonna happen? Probably your offer is gonna get accepted because ain't nobody got time for that. Number 3 is go to the open house. If you like a house, don't just tell your agent to put an offer on it. If you actually go to the house, go and meet with the listing agent. We're human, guys. We're social bees. So if you can add that interpersonal connection and go meet the agent, it will really set your name apart from the other offers that come in because that agent will remember you. It's like when you're back in college, you're barely passing that class and you know it's gonna go down if you don't get that, the 2-point differential. So what do? You go to your professor's office hours and you meet the guy, you shake his hand, you say how much you love his lectures. You know what happens after that. That's it for today, guys. Go out there and start using these strategies. And if you thought this video was insightful to you, please don't forget to share this with your family and friends. And don't forget to leave us a comment below because we love to hear from you. We will continue to do this work and keep bringing you amazing content. So follow us to stay on top of your game. Until next time, this is Karan Singh from Optimal Homes.